Now we see about glycolysis. Glycolysis. Glycolysis derived from Greek word glucose. Glucose or glucose lies. Glucose means glucose lies in breakdown. During this process, one molecules of glucose is degraded into two molecules of pyruvate. It is called glycolysis. Free energy is released in this process and is stored as a two molecules of ATP and two molecules of NADH. History. Glycolysis was the very first biochemistry study and it's the first metabolic pathway of discovered. Louis Pasteur in 1853 to 1864 observed that the fermentation is caused by microorganisms and also found that aerobic growth requires less glucose than anaerobic condition. Bouncer in 1897 found that the reaction of glycolysis can be carried out in a cell-free yeast extract. Harden and Young 1905 found that inorganic phosphate is required fermentation. Yeast extract could be separation, small molecular weight essential coenzyme and bigger molecules called enzymes. Carbohydrate metabolism. There is a 60% of ingested food consists of polysaccharide carbohydrates, while the disaccharide carbohydrates like sucrose and lactose are important in the diet of infants. The end product of carbohydrate digestion is mainly glucose, fructose, and galactose. The simple sugars are absorbed in the intestine and are carried to the liver through the bloodstream. Here they are transformed into glycogen through 6 glucose 6 phosphate. The glycogen stored in the liver. The carbohydrate metabolism or digestion of carbohydrate is takes by two steps: catabolism, anabolism. Catabolism. In catabolism, degradation of complex organic molecules into smaller, simpler molecules. This process is energy released. Anabolism is the process of biosynthesis in which complex molecules are produced from simpler molecules. This process is in this process energy is required. Glycolysis, embedded Meyer for Arna's method pathway. It is short form glycolysis, otherwise EMP pathway. Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose up to formation of pyruvic acid. Each glucose molecules form two molecules of pyruvic acid. The breakdown of glucose takes place in a series of steps. Each stepwise reaction is catalyzed by a specific enzyme. Glycolysis may be divided into two phases: preparative phase and oxidative phase. Preparative phase. The first 1 to 4 steps is the glycolysis represents the preparative phase. In this phase, breakdown of glucose and a low energy phosphorylation occurs and first is expanded oxidative phase. The end of 5 to 9 steps in glycolysis represents the oxidative phase. In this phase, high energy phosphate bonds are formed and energy is stored. Glucose phosphorylation with the enzyme hexokinase enzyme. ATP is gonna released into ADP. Glucose 6% with the help of isomerization of the enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. Fructose 6-phosphate is converted into ADP. Second phosphorylation phosphofructokinase cleavage. Fructose 1,6-phosphate diphosphate it converted into isomerization. It is divided in a dihydroacetylene phosphate and phosphoraldehyde. Next go to phosphoglyceraldehyde. The help of isophosphorylation and oxidative dehydration phosphorylation dehydrogen enzyme. The H2PO next it converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceraldehyde. It is converted into 3 phosphoglyceric acid with the release of ADP into ATP converted. 3 phosphoglyceric acid converted 2 phosphoglyceric acid with it converts the release of water molecules. The dehydration process enolysis. 2 phosphoglyceric acid is converted into phosphophenol pyruvic acid. ADP is released from ATP energy molecule. Next is a pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is a Krebs cycle. It is a lactic acid formation, lactic acid, alkyl fermentation, acetaldehyde is the end product of ethanol, ethyl alcohol. Glycolysis, phosphorylation. In the first step, break down the carbohydrate, the glucose is stable compound, so it normally resists in the breakdown. The activation of glucose molecule takes place by a reaction called oxidative phosphorylation. A phosphate group is attached to glucose by a low energy phosphate bond and a glucose 6-phosphate is formed. The reaction is facilitated by an enzyme called hexokinase with Mg2 plus or activator. The phosphate group is derived from ATP which break down to ADP. Example, the hormones insulin and estrogen promote phosphorylation of blood glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. Isomerization. Glucose 6-phosphate undergoes internal molecular rearrangement to form fructose 6-phosphate. The catalytic enzyme is phosphoglucose isomerase. No changes takes place in the low energy value of phosphate bond. Secondary phosphorylation. Fructose 6-phosphate undergoes phosphorylation to form fructose 6-1-diphosphate. The catalytic enzyme is phosphofructokinase. The phosphate group is derived from ATP which breaks down to ATP. Fructose 6 cleavage. Next, fourth stage is cleavage. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate splits into two levels between carbon atom 3 and 4 under the reaction enzyme aldolase. The two levels phosphate each contain 3 carbon atoms but they are not identically. The one has dihydroxyacetone phosphate DHAP and the other is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. These molecules undergo the isomerization and become the identical 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde molecules. The catalyzing enzyme is triose phosphate isomerase. Phosphorylation and oxidative dehydrogenation. The phosphorylation undergoes stimultaneous phosphorylation and oxidative dehydration. The molecule has the phosphate group attached to the one end by low energy bond. During the phosphorylation under the catalyzing action of enzyme phosphotriose dehydrogenase, a second phosphate group is added to the other end. The phosphorylating agent which is provided the phosphate group is phosphoric acid. Oxidative dehydrogenation takes place in the simultaneously. Two atoms of hydrogen are removed and are accepted by NAD+. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide which is converted into NADH plus H hydrogen ions. The newly added phosphate group is requires high energy phosphate bond. The end product is 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid. The energy is compound formed. ATP generation. 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid now transferred into phosphate with a high energy bond to ADP 3-phosphoglyceric acid. The catalytic enzyme is phosphoglycerol kinase. ADP is acquire high energy bond phosphate and begin ATP isomerization. The 3-phosphoglyceric acid molecules undergo the internal rearrangement and become 2-phosphoglyceric acid. The catalyzing enzyme is phosphoglucomutase. Dehydration. The dehydration means removal of water molecule. The 2-phosphoglyceric acid molecule lost hydrogen and oxygen in the form of water. Dehydration form phosphate pyruvic acid. This type is catalyzed by the enzyme enolase. ATP generation. The phosphoenol pyruvic acid molecule transfer it is high energy phosphate bond to ADP, which is converted into ATP and pyruvic acid is formed. The reaction is catalyzed by enzyme called pyruvate kinase. It should be not the two molecules of pyruvic acid are formed per molecules glucose metabolized. Biological significance. In the absence of oxygen, pyruvic acid converted into the other ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. Pyruvic and lactic acid may be returned to the liver where they can be resynthesized from the glucose or glycogen by reverse anaerobic glycolysis. Lactic acid and pyruvic acid may also be broken down in the liver to yield carbon dioxide and water through Krebs cycle. Thank you.